In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload high-quality video on Google Drive. If you've ever uploaded a video only to notice that it looks compressed or lower in quality when viewed online, don't worry. Google Drive actually preserves your original file quality as long as the upload is done correctly, and in this guide, you'll learn how to make sure your videos stay crisp and unchanged. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account so you can access your storage space. Once you arrive at the main dashboard, you will see your files and folders displayed in the center of the screen. Next, look toward the top left corner and click the New button. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select File Upload. This option allows you to choose a file directly from your computer and transfer it into Google Drive. After clicking File Upload, your computer's File Explorer will open. Now locate the high-quality video you want to upload. It is important to select the original video file rather than a compressed version, since Google Drive will store exactly what you upload without altering its quality. Once you have selected the video file, click Open to begin the uploading process. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this may take some time. Larger videos, especially in high-resolution formats like 1080p or 4K, will naturally take longer to transfer. During the upload, you will see a progress indicator in the bottom corner of the screen. This shows you how much of the file has been uploaded and confirms that the process is working correctly. You do not need to take any additional action while it completes. Once the upload is finished, your video will appear in Google Drive exactly as it was on your device, maintaining its original quality. You can open it, share it, or download it at any time without losing resolution. For best results, avoid resaving or re-exporting the video in compressed formats before uploading. Always use the highest quality original file to ensure Google Drive stores it in full clarity. And that's it. You now know how to upload high-quality videos to Google Drive while preserving their original resolution and clarity for sharing or storage. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.